Shake Alert system has struggled to find the $80 million it needs to finance the project. But with the Napa quake damages estimated to surpass $1 billion, it just may get lawmakers taking action.
Earthquake.
An experimental warning system in a UC Berkeley lab beat the Napa earthquake by 10 seconds Sunday, sounding an alarm and counting down to the impending magnitude 6 trembler.
Light shaking expected in 3 seconds.
It's the biggest test yet for a promising alert system that is already providing precious seconds of notice before quakes hit in Mexico and Japan. But it's not yet available to the public in the U.S. because it remains in budgetary limbo.
Whether or not we get a system is solely a function of money. The technology exists, the know-how exists.
The system works because sensors near faults detect the first seismic waves emitted by a quake and sends an alert before the secondary and more damaging waves hit. Those farther from the epicenter receive a longer warning time, which makes it a valuable tool for a city like Eugene, where the Cascadia subduction zone, capable of producing a magnitude 9 earthquake, is imminent.
That's bad news, right, because it's very large, but it's actually, we're in a slightly better situation in the sense of most of our metropolitan areas are distant from the Cascadia subduction zone.
If a quake were to strike south of the zone and rupture north, Eugene would get about 2 minutes of warning, Portland about 3 minutes, and Seattle about 5 minutes. Crucial time for schools like Edison Elementary, which can evacuate its 300 students in a minute and a half. And power plants, hospitals, bridges can shut down.
Mainly we need to convince our state and federal legislators that it's an important service to provide the community.
Now, scientists say if funding were made available to build the system today, it will be fully functional in 3 to 5 years. Live in the studio, Grace Lim, KEZI 9 News.